Hi everyone, so I've just come to share with you my new kit that I've made. It's a traveller's notebook size. I've never done one of them before, but here it is. I'm calling it Blue Florals, and it has got a butterfly here and there. So it's kind of vintage, shabby vintage, and I'm just going to do a quick flip and then I'm going to have a play with this kit. So that's page 1. There are 14 pages in total. That's the next one. Comes in a PDF. And that's the next one. Then there's this. I've got one of them crazy flies flying around, you know, the ones with the big long legs and the skinny bodies. It's driving me bonkers. That's the next one. We have a lined page. Then we have, I think there's 3 backgrounds, so they're full size, so you can cut them up, you can make pockets out of them, you can make tags out of them, you can strip them down, you can make collage pages from them. So there's that one, and then there is that one. Then we have this one. I don't know if you've noticed in my journals, I've always got like pages that go kind of that way, so that's why I've done that page. So there's that. Then we have 2 envelopes. So this is it. And this one. And we have 6 tags. These have got the florals on them and they've just got the script. Then there's a page of pockets. You get 4 pockets and 2 butterflies there. And the last page is 3 jumbo tags. Okay, so I will put the link for this down below, which is obviously going to be in my shop. When you're buying the kits, they do send an email to your obviously the email that you've paid by PayPal with, but also when you're paying, if you stay on the thank you page, once you've paid, it will go onto the thank you page, and there will be a link on there as well. So and if you don't get an email, then just let me know. Sometimes it goes to your spam. Okay, so there we go. Thanks for watching. Bye.